remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you would never let me down. Turn my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I'd never been afraid. I've loved the life we made. I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted to, I listened to before. I swear you've been everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it's someone to me and need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. Know that I belong to be with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We've always worked things out. Learn what love about by loving you through the years. Through the years, you never let me down. Turn my life around. Sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, better every day. You kiss my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Thank you so much for listening. I love you all. Sa mga nagsubaybay sa akin, maraming salamat po sa lagi niyong pakikinig sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.